this video today, I want to introduce you to Celia mining app. As I said, I want to introduce you to Celia mining app. It's a crypto mining app that somebody just told me about 3 to 4 days ago. And as it is my custom, I have signed in to the app and I've tried to test it. And in this video, I will do a review as well as tell you some things about the mining app. Some initial reviews that I did shows that the app is calm, but later I got the responses from the Celia team and they explained what happened. Let me take one of the reviews I read online and which the Celia team have responded to. One of it says, if you think you can claim your token, that is wrong. After connecting the account in MetaMask, Trust Wallet, etc., you will see you are eligible to claim your token. After verifying your account, it takes around $0.06 from your account. You see nothing come into account. That means the token does not come into your account. But the game is not finished here. After some hours later, you will see your wallet has $0 because you already permit them to access your account. So this person said, avoid them, avoid this scam project. The Celia support team responded to this by saying thank you for your feedback. First, we want to clarify that connecting your Wallet Connect, which Celia uses, does not give us your wallet or funds. The connection simply enables interaction with decentralized applications. You can read more about how Wallet Connect works here, and they gave a link of how Wallet Connect works. They now said, secondly, if you've successfully claimed your token, ensure you've imported the Celia token into your wallet using the correct BGC contract address. If not imported, the tokens won't show up, even though you're in your wallet. If you need help with this step or anything else, feel free to reach out to your support team here. So they gave the link to the support team. They now went on to say regarding the $0.06 transaction fee, this is the gas fee used to process transactions on the blockchain, not a verification fee, and none of it goes to Celia. Lastly, if you've seen your funds leave your wallet unexpectedly, we strongly advise that you create maybe a new password immediately once your wallet is compromised. Bad this and monitor and change funds as they come in. We are here to support you. Please don't hesitate to contact us directly. This response to this person that said that he has a bad experience with Celia shows me that Celia is right. The support team of Celia have clarified this issue, and I think they are right. Now, before I go on to look at the Celia mining app, which just started, and telling you more about it, I want to say that currently the amount of users on Celia are about 89,768, and the number one person on Celia in the last 5 minutes is Andrej Marin, and he has 13 million in his Celia account to 13 million points. This is followed by Crypto Smith, we have 10 million, followed by somebody who has 3.6, and the number 200 on the list had 38,000 Celia points. Personally, I have 37,710, and funny enough, I started just a few days ago. So the mining app launched officially sometime this April, and that is why I want you to take advantage of it and to join early. Usually, when I see a new project like this that is not too popular, I go ahead to do a review, and I've checked some of the reviews online. I've checked their Twitter angle, and I've seen that they are a force to reckon with. Now, let me just tell you about the Celia interface. When you register, what you're going to get, you're going to put in your email and some other personal details, and then they will send something to your phone number or to your email, and then you go on there, you click it. After you click it, you have to verify your KYC. So anybody that joins using your referral, until they verify their KYC, they are not fully registered. So once they do their KYC, that is when they are registered, and then that is when they get verified. The KYC of Celia is not as tough as that of Pi Network or Picoin. It is as simple as ABC, and you get verified, you get KYC verification in less than 5 minutes once you put the correct email and everything. So currently, it will show you in your team the number of people who have joined under you. They are called Celians, and then the number of them who have verified their KYC will also be shown. All people that I have referred so far have verified their KYC. I've done a similar video on my other channel with this with families and relationship, and on that video I focused more on families. I didn't do any review. I focused more on how families, husband and wife and children can take part. This one is quite different from that one, but it's also coming from me. Now, as I said, the total point you have is going to be shown when you join. Then every 4 hours you have to go and mine. So the interface will show you, if you are mining, it will show you are currently mining. If you are not mining, it will also show that you are not currently mining. So the more you mine, the more the points you get, and mining is every 4 hours. So apart from mining, there is a place that shows airdrop. In my own case, it's showing no airdrop. There is no available airdrop at the moment. Apart from airdrop, it also has a space for KYC. So for do your KYC, when you click on it, then it will lead you to take steps on your KYC. On the dashboard also, you have a space for stake. So out of what you have, you can stake some where you fix it like a fixed deposit. Then there's another place that shows send. So you can send Celia from your account to somebody else's account. Also, you can receive. So you can receive Celia token, and Celia token can be sent to you. So the network you want to use may be Binance or maybe other network. Now, let's go on and talk about the socials. On the social also, on the dashboard, there's a place for social. It will permit you to follow Celia on their different social media angles. So you go ahead and then you follow them. He said, follow us across all our community pages. And I have done all that. Then there's a milestone that shows everything you've done so far. There's a milestone that shows like a referral, I've achieved it. Streak is say not achieved. Web3 seedling not achieved, and many others like that not achieved. Like growth catalysts, digital pioneer, crypto explorer is saying I have not achieved them. Community architect, I've done one. Blockchain elite, I've done 8 out of 50. Then rising star, I have 8 out of 30. Referral, I have 1 out of 50, which is network strategist. Power user, I have 8 out of 50. Celia Centurion, I have 1 out of 100. That's still referral. Then Diamond Rand Hands, I have 8 out of 50, and many others in this particular milestone area. So the people that already have 13 million, I'm sure that individual have done a lot of work. On my other channel, I said for couples, once you join, what you need to do is call a short family gathering where you invite other families, and then you talk to them about crypto. You serve them food, ask them about their relationship. You can give everybody some question to answer, ask them about their families and friends and everything, their children or their parents, and then you can serve drinks or snacks. And then from there, you talk 10 to 15 minutes about Celia. You share the link with everyone present and ask them to join or ask them to ask you questions. And from there, they can join. And then you can form a WhatsApp group immediately, and then that forms a cluster. There are many ways to do this thing that is not strenuous, but many people just assume that making money online is difficult or is too easy. All the work you need to do, you are doing for yourself, and I think it's something that is worth it. So when you talk about getting referrals, it is very simple. Go on your social media pages, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, talk about this just as I'm doing, or post some things on your social media handles and play some music by the side, and then you'll be surprised people are going to be interested, and you leave the link for them to join, and they're going to be joining just the same people joining the Celia thing, wondering where they came from. I am certain after this video, in the first few hours or in the first 1, 2, 3 days, I'm going to get more than 100 referrals. I'm saying this because on S365, I had close to more than 300 people that have joined my referral, and it is because I made content on social media. Now, let me come back to talking about what is on the dashboard. Then the invite, there's an invite on the dashboard. That's when you click, and then you can from there share your code. Then there's also claim. When you have some things to claim, you claim them. I also spoke about staking and spoke about other things. So all these are part and parcel of what Celia is all about. Now, apart from the home, you also have the team. Beside the home, you have the team on the base of the app. So the number of Celians, that is people that join through your team, is going to be shown. Then you also have history, what points you have made at what time. So remember, mining stop after 4 hours. You have to go back and continue mining and click on mine and click on mine. So you do that every 4 hours. Then we have the leaderboard that shows you the first 200 people that are leading. I'm sure that in the next few hours, I'm going to be in the first 200. And I'm sure if I continue the way I'm going to go beyond even 200. I'm going to be part of the top 200 in a short while, because whatever I want to do, I try to do it very well. And I want you also to do it very well so that we can be part of the leaderboard. So for you to join Celia, you use my link, which I'm going to leave in the description section of this video and also in the comment section of this video. I'm going to pin it to the comment section. Use that link to join Celia. I will also leave the link to my dedicated WhatsApp group where I share opportunities like this. So somebody introduced me to Celia, and I have asked in that group, the person in that group that introduced us to Celia, I've asked that everyone should use the link of that individual. I don't want people to use my link in that group. So if you belong to the group, my WhatsApp group, and you are the one that bring the project, I will not take the project away from you and ask people in the group to use my link. I will ask them, I will promote your link in the group. But on my YouTube channel, I will promote my own link. So that is the benefit of you bringing the project to the group. So in the group, everyone is using the link of the person who brought the project. But on my YouTube channel, my social media pages, Instagram and TikTok, I will use my own link. So I will leave the link to that dedicated WhatsApp group here if you would like to join. Already we have started, everybody have joined since about 3 to 4 days ago. So I am currently on the x.com of Twitter, that's former of Celia, that's the former Twitter, and it's showing Celia Finance. And it's showing Celia Finance says innovating the future of Web3 for everyone. Products, Celia Wallet, Help, Celia Help Desk. Then financial services, they joined September 2022, and they have 114 people following. They are following 140 people, and they have 513,000 followers. And he said, he mentioned some things here. So he now went on to say the Celia app is officially live on iOS and Android. Everyone can mine, stake, and earn Celia dollar right from their phones. More updates coming soon. So the link for all that are shared on their Twitter handle. Then about 9 hours ago, they talk about verify your KYC now. Massive in-app airdrop campaign officially begins next week. So in 2 days ago on their X handle, they said the wait is over. Celia community, the Celia app is finally live on iOS. As of April 13, 2025, phone users can now mine, stake, and earn Celia right from their devices. So 4 days ago, they say huge updates. The Celia app APK is live now. So this Celia is a new development, even though some people have said about 2 years or 1 year ago there was a Celia mining app and many other things. I will still find out how that one connects with this one that just came up or started mining about a week ago. So this is the definition of pioneers. Are you going to join the Celia pioneers, or you are going to wait and wait until all the people you ought to refer have been referred or invited to Celia by somebody else? I don't take chances anyhow. Nobody is asking you to pay for anything here. All what you need to do is to click the link to join and then join. Do what you're supposed to do as I've explained here, and then climb up the leaderboard. Then spread the link, spread the word about Celia, and get your friends and your family to join through you. And after that, when they launch, you can smile to the bank. Dr. David Olubenga, Dr. Olubenga Adetitun is my name, and this is the Dr. Olubenga Adetitun TV or Dr. Olubenga Adetitun YouTube channel. I'm sure you have gained value. Join my dedicated crypto airdrop WhatsApp group using the link in the description section of this video. Also, subscribe to my channel, this YouTube channel, like this video, share the link of this video to family and friends, and keep coming back for more. I'm sure I am sent to you to educate you and to teach you how to make money online and offline. That is what I teach on this YouTube channel. Many people come to me and they try to bribe me where I work, assuming that because I teach how to make money online and offline, I'm dubious. No, I am very, very straightforward and not dubious. I make money in legitimate ways and teach you how to make money in legal ways. So please, let's also be in that category together, learning and making sure that we do and get money in legitimate ways. I will talk to you in the next video, and before then, this video popping up by the side from my channel is the next you need to watch now. Bye for now.